sa pagkain. See you there.
Okay, kain kami.
Guys, we're here. Sitang Plaza Hotel. Guys, halika na, nag-aantay na sila. Here. Saan kaya si ate? Live mo ko. Tanong mo kasi sila ate. Tingin.
Tatlo ko kunin yung mga malabs.
Plus na, pag-plus ka na kasi.
Juice at saka
and they are our partner since the start of PPID. So kudos to the TFT. So good evening everyone. I know it's the first day of work, pero you all showed up. So thank you so much. It's my first time in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. And
but don't worry, as a speaker, I only talk for 30 minutes. Would that be okay? Alright, so before we start, can you raise your right hand, please? Raise your right hand, tap the person in your right, and tell the person you're handsome and beautiful.
Yes, we are.
Alright. And how about your left hand? Can you raise your left hand? Alright, just for 30 minutes. Diba? So, litin nyo yung pagiging handsome and beautiful for 30 minutes. Because I'll be giving you a very good insight about Ayala Land. Right? So, let's talk about the insights and wisdom that we can share in the real estate world, especially with Ayala Land. Alright? So, would that be okay? I just give a house rules. Would that be okay? Number one, of course.
Naku, naka-video.
Naka-video ka dito, naka-video. Yari. Di ba sa gusto na gusto ko sa Muntinlupa. Kuka daw ako ni Mama sa hindi sa BGC Muntinlupa. Ay, ma'am. Sa loob na lang.
Ayan si sir.
Hi, sir. Okay. Nice meeting you, sir. Ito ba lang natin, cross-up natin. Sige po. The dinner is ready. Tapos ano tayo, kwentuhan tayo.
Sige po.
Share picture tayo, share picture. Ay! Sige po, sir. Dito ba lahat?
Share picture.
So yung guys, kain na po.
Let's check.
Yan. Ito pa yung cheese na yun.
Potato.
Shrimp and salad.
Gusto ko yan.
Salad, may salad. Spring rolls.
Mango salad. Corn. Coleslaw. Ano yan, kuya? Ah, beef steak. Daming food.
Kain na po.
Kain na.
Maging po na tayo po.
Kain na. At kukuha ka ng 10. Kain tayo, guys. Thank you, sir.
Ako pag nag-educate ng ganito, sabi ko ang real estate, dalawa lang.
Let's see.
Yung million bonus. Which is totoo, right? Sige, kain na tayo, sir.
Kain na po.
Sige po, kain talaga kayo. Enjoy niyo ako.
Daming food.
Yummy.
Ngayon lang ako ito nakatulog na.
Mandaluyong sa loob. Picture, picture guys, picture. Ay na guys. Guys, sarap naman nila. Shrimp salad. Natika mo na, shrimp salad.
Squid.
Yun na sa ibabaw. Kasi ibabaw, tabi ng flower. Tabi ng flower, Kuya Lea. Tap. Salad ba? Sa salad pa lang guys. Soft yan yan, ha?
Yung mango masarap. Ano to?
Kita ka sa likod. Yan. At guys, yung salad nila. Yung salad guys. Pinamayin niya. Sarap. Mango salad. Yung mango salad eh.
Masarap mango salad.
Sarap nga, mango salad. Salad pa lang, panalo na bro. Manghang. Manghang yung mango salad. Kato match. Sarap. Cheese pala, hindi lang ay. Sarap. Manghang. Manghang. Yummy. Salad pa lang, salad pa lang.
Wala kami dyan. It's okay. Yan guys, tapos na kami. Uwi na kami. Guys. Pauwi na kami. Busog. Busog na. Ayan. Thank you. Ayala lang. Guys, so ganda. Dito tayo. Kasi nakaano to. Pipicture tayo to. Ha? Opo. Ay, Leo. So yun guys, tapos na kami. Pauwi na kami. This is the Riyadh, Crown Plaza Riyadh, Lace Hotel. Yan. Nag-iba siya. Dati, hindi ganito itsura. Naiba yung, setup niya. Nag-CR. Yan guys, tapos na.
Dami kakain, sarap.
Dami pagkain.
Sa salad pa lang, salad yun no?
Mango salad na sarap. Tsaka yung beef nila. Guys, thank you for watching.
Flex ko lang yung regalo sa akin yung mga vlog ko. US.
Si Tito pa.
Mayroon kayong pang, jump start? Meron. Yung parang lang.
Guys, bye-bye.
Bye guys.